Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to go ahead and display your live sub count on your OBS. If you guys have any questions and anything like that, put them in the comments and make sure to leave a like and comment for the algorithm. But beyond that, just go ahead into your web page, find any sort of live counter for your YouTube. For me, it's this right here. I haven't really been that proactive about my subscriber count, so it looks a little bit flat right now. And then so we're going to go ahead and just copy this, go over into your OBS, press plus, browser, okay, and then just go ahead and put it into your source like that, or into the URL menu. And then as you see, it's going to open this up. Now it might say that there's cookies or something. So what you're going to want to do is right click this and press interact. And then from here, you can go ahead and interact with the web page and stuff. But I already did that, so I don't need to press anything. And then from there, I'm just going to go over into my settings and not into my settings. Sorry. I'm going to right click on the browser, go to transform, edit transform, and then you can either move it to where you want, or you could press transform and then crop it to either crop it down if you want it to just show the number and ignore anything else on the web page. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a quick tips tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.